sit quietly, relax, and take several deep breaths. Scan your body for any areas of tension and breathe into those areas and release the tension. Reflect now on love, happiness, abundance, health, and wellness. These are all aspects of God bequeathed to us by the divine as part of our spiritual heritage. Understanding and claiming this truth is how our dreams come into fulfillment. When we back up our dreams with an absolute faith that they will manifest. Begin this meditation by reflecting on something you truly want in your life right now. Hold the image of what you desire as if it had already manifested. Use all of your senses to feel this vision and claim it for yourself now. Experience it in your body. Feel it in your heart. See it in your inner eye. Know that it is real. Our thoughts create our reality. The more you imbue your dream with your feeling senses, the stronger the vision becomes. Now move deeply within your heart. Take a deep breath and remove any tension within the heart. Here, you will find the core of your faith. Have faith in your Creator to assist you. Have faith in the Spirit to bless your life. Have faith that you are never alone and you can meet all the challenges and initiations you may face. Feel into your heart and breathe in joy, allowing your vision to bring you joy. Stay with this experience and hold it close to you. Let it be a reminder that your life is beautiful and you are free to create your life's desires. Now, allow gratitude to fill your heart with a sense of knowing your dreams will come to fruition. Gratitude brings a release from disappointment and sets our spirit free, making our life easier and lighter. Gratitude opens the door to our heart so it can receive more.